What is going on, everybody? Capricorns, my goats, how you doing? This is Jen catching you on DTWJ Life. Hope you're all having a great day. And right now what I want to do is get into your general reading for the upcoming Lunar Asbat. Nefertiti said what's up. How you doing? I love it. Such a beautiful smile. I love it. Ah, yay. Anyway, yes, absolutely. Goddess and God bless. Today is the 13th, though, which marks the day of the Festival of Diana, who is a Greek goddess. Also one of my goddesses that I work with. Which is pretty amazing. I'm doing your reading for the new moon going into the full moon, which leaves the waxing phase to work through. And that is an active phase, not the passive phase, alright, guys? So do keep that in mind. Also, by the time that the full moon does reach on the 26th, Mercury is going direct. Yay! Woo! Love that. So if you guys have been having a lot of tech issues or communication issues or listening issues, it's okay. It will be over soon. All that mess. Believe me, I know. I've been going through it too, man. Whew. Yes. I feel like a lightness coming through, which is pretty cool. Affluence. But no celebration. Okay. It is August. Leaving Leo season, going into Virgo season. Not your season yet. I can see why. I know. It's okay. I get it. It's alright. Alright, so I'm going to pull out your basic 3 cards. Present, future, outcome. We have direct and impasse. Messages trying to come through. Okay. Okay. Pardon. Got a little bit of gas happening here, so you do have to excuse me on that. Pulling up your main cards as well as your clarifiers. Okay, it's a little bit confusing, but we'll get through this. We will do this. We'll get through this and we'll do this. Okay. Coming up in your present, you have seed inverted. Now is not exactly the time to be, planting in your garden unless you're looking to plant things that grow during autumn. On a more analogical level, it's not exactly the time to be planting anything new because you need to be working with what you have. Clarifying that this is the reason you need to be focusing on your home, coming in fourfold, okay? All corners of your living space, of your home, leaving no stone unturned. Go through it again. We're still in the Mercury retrograde phase, which means redo. Go over it again. You gave it a good once over, or at least you thought you did. Give it a twice over. Redo it. Look at it again. What is amiss with this? Seriously. Following that up, unhealthy desires. There's somebody in your home or within your heart space that gives into unhealthy desires a little bit too often, and this could be detrimental to your well-being, your health, or you might even be doing this. Be honest with yourself. Now is the time to redo and to take action on it, okay? Coming up in your near future, you're going to be dropping the torch to something. Okay. And it's so funny because you have the goddess Nike down here. Nike, just do it. Yeah. You're going to be dropping the rights to something. Interesting. Not sure what yet. Coming up as your benefit, which is weird. You're dropping the option to delegate tasks off to people who cannot handle those tasks, or you feel they cannot handle those tasks. Also, you're, I will say it, you're feeling a little bit controlling over everything, like to a point of micromanaging. Take that energy, and instead of potentially messing up, go through your home again. Seriously. Go through your home again. What is it that is making you feel this way? I think the reason why this is toward your benefit is to realize you have the moon within fire. What is hidden? What is secret? What is hidden? Who's doing what behind your back? All right, bye-bye. Who's doing what behind your back? Is it healthy? Is it unhealthy? Obviously, you know the answer to that one. You just don't have the proof yet. What's coming up in your detriment is Mother of Fire upright. Trying to... Okay. Prematurely trying to creatively solve an issue that has been long going and long standing, allowing it to take the reins instead of you having a part in it. Okay, discuss with whoever you're partnered with, personally or business wise. Make sure you're involved. I'm not saying, control the situation, be micromanager. I'm not saying that. Just make sure that you are involved, though. Don't back away entirely just because you feel guilty about past bad behaviors. You know that they don't have to continue. Don't drop the rights to what you're responsible for, is really what I'm saying there. Coming up upright in your conclusion is choice and passion upright. Coming in sixfold, the number of spirit is on your side. You will be gaining divine guidance. You'll be reconciling a difference with your shadow self by doing your own shadow work, realizing what's working and not working within yourself. So that beauty and love can come forward, and so that you can ascend and rise to the occasion, so that you're able to better manage it responsibly. A lot of inner work has to be done. That's what you need to be taking action on. Challenge, upright. You cannot expand if you don't see what is already wrong within the situation or within the self. What is wrong is a dishonest business dealing. Okay, this could be a client, this could be a tenant, this could be anybody. Could be anybody. Could be somebody that you signed a contract with as well, without thinking. It's the Mercury retrograde. Never sign contracts during Mercury retrogrades. So if you did, that's what's happening. You're going to be letting go of people who harbor unhealthy desires. What's beautiful about that, if I can find it, is that you're going to be able to turn this right side up within yourself so that you can feel a healthy amount of desire for the things that you love to work on, your business, okay, the passion that you put towards your business, your relationships, yourself, everything. You're letting go of the BS. You're letting go of the bad people. One more. At least one more. Thank you. Yes. Ouch. You're losing faith in a person or a situation. And it could very well have to tie in with the devil. Definitely letting go of a person who otherwise has unhealthy desires. You're losing faith in that person. Secrets are coming to the forefront. Nothing is any longer a secret because you're checking your home. Nothing is going to be erupting. There's not going to be any serious change. Nothing that you cannot handle. If you want further guidance on this situation, Capricorn, feel free to get in contact with me through the information in the description of this video, and we can book a private reading. If not, and if yet you feel so inclined to, you can leave a small donation, and something as small as $1 is fine, so that I can continue to do these free readings for you. I do enjoy doing my work, and I would love to continue doing it. So thank you so much for tuning in, for liking, commenting, subscribing. I appreciate it very much. And until the next reading, take care of yourselves. Blessed be.